We decided to get it out of the way so you can get to the...
Exactly. You want to find metal detect today?
Oh yeah, no problem.
Looking for gold coins.
That's what you're looking for.
If I find some, I'll give them to you.
If you find one, I get a share. So.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey John, if you think the man is screw man, if they can come down, that's all.
I can go get my wrench if you want.
No, you don't need to put me in. You do you making money? You owe me a lunch.
Okay, so so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the ladder off, and then well, I think so there's 2 slats going into the brick at the bottom, and I think we might have to cut those off.
I think so. George, the problem, like, you don't have a screws over there, nothing.
Yeah, that's what he's saying.
Beside the steps, that's it.
No, 2 little things that are about this long.
From this way, you have it this way to pull them out.
But they're in the brick like that.
In the building, but like after you pull them out right here at 2 inch, you leave the other 2 pieces, and that's come out. Boom. Because look this way, I hold them from this
It'll
side.
just fall off. Well,
Yeah.
let's take the ladder off, and then we'll get.
Yeah.
That's gone.
I'm gonna go down. This one to make sure. Yeah!
Hey, that's one side.
I felt it.
We're gonna go broke that foot.
Ping! Loud and free.
Hey Kim!
Gotta go over here now.
None over there. Okay. It's loose.
Do those for maybe.
Where do you want it? Alright, forward. The only thing that we have to pull is we have to pull that other fire escape out.
What do you have that fire escape? Let's go see it.
Let's go look at it real quick.
Oh, the smaller one?
Yeah, we could do that one.
Yeah.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
This is nothing. This you just cut them off this side, and you pull them from the other side, and boom. That's
Yeah.
all.
We can just strap to the bottom of the boom lift and roll it.
Yeah. But I think so. We don't have any more heavy duty stuff the other side, huh? Any like this open? I don't remember that side. Besides, we broke. Where you broke that tool, John?
Because he took out the bottom sill.
Oh.
There was a big step. Remember there was a big step
Yeah.
up and down?
Oh. Wow. Oh. might be hell. So you said I had to pay you to be on the video, right? Here's how much you're worth.
Get out, go now.
Here.
Don't be annoying. You're worth like this. I'm gonna kick your ass, Granny.
Oh wow, I just realized this thing's coming apart. There's cracks on each one of these. And some of these, the entire plates have fallen off. Look at that. So I guess this is actually where the system was losing a lot of its heat. And look at that, it looks like a lot of water damage or so. It's really nasty. So I don't think I can trust this because I was wanting to find a radiator and turn it into a steam boiler, but I'm not going to trust this if it's not rusted through. Although I wonder if it could have frozen. Perhaps it could have filled up with water and become frozen. After all, it is right next to the outside. Well, that's a real shame. So it looks like it's not going to be trustworthy for a boiler. And I guess like it looks like I am working today now because I'm going to break it up and throw it out. However, I will keep a small section. I'm not sure how they join these sections together. It could be like they melt lead in between the seams. I'm not sure. Or it could be that there's a bar going between them. But I don't seem to see anything that would suggest that. And with this particular one, there doesn't seem to be any sections that would be bolted together. It looks like just one big unit. So let's shatter this end and see what holds them together. And then if there's ever a section, hopefully at the end, I maybe keep 5 of them, a manageable section, and then I can cap it off if I ever need. So it looks like standing on top of it might be the safest option.
Shit. Are you sludging it apart?
Yeah. I think it'd be easier to take it out this way.
Yeah.
Because I couldn't even lift the whole thing.
They're heavy. They're super heavy.
But I was thinking maybe if I could save 4 segments, but I can't figure out how they get these pieces apart. But I mean, if I want to use the segment, you know?
Yeah.
Like I still haven't yet gotten it to break. Although I might take a section home. Like I'm thinking it might be lead in between them.
Could be.
And then
Maybe heat it up.
That's what you like.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck this. How odd. Oh, something interesting is happening outside. So are we moving all this inside? Oh, damn.
We had a nice tour. I was in charge. Very.
Oh, listen, I'll tell you what, you did a great job. You did a great job.
I couldn't answer all their questions. We got you involved and also chief engineer.
Alright, so the other guys are finishing up out there, and I'm going to take care of all this cast iron stuff and put it up for the scrap guy to take. I kind of fear we're going to be finding cast iron bits in this bar for a while. Oh shit. I think I heard some go over there too. Making a big mess?
Yep.
Well, good.
I didn't mean to break it that way,
Yeah.
but it happened.
I'm not gonna touch that anymore.
There it goes. Good. There it goes.
Hmm?
But it was doing pretty good.
Okay. So that's pretty much all of that. There's a lot of junk left over, but this stuff's so easy to pick up. Just need to get a nice shovel, which we do not have on hand. I think I'll call it quits there. I just came in to get a key for the Rooster to pick up my junk on like Sunday or whatever, but ended up getting this like an entire day of work done. Man, today was pretty packed. I got a lot of stuff done, and I definitely got lunch out of it. A big breakfast. Well, breakfasty foods for lunch, you know, because I don't actually eat breakfast. And I saved one of the window weights from that window for a possible anchor for my next barrel boat. So, that'd be pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya!